guys to my channel, it's Sidhu here. Today I'm going to react to Dan Dan episode number 10. I know I'm late. I think as I explained in the previous reaction to of Blue Lock episode number 9, I went on a vacation and I could not cover the reactions, but I'm here now and there is going to be no more delays and I'm going to catch up as fast as possible before the next episode's release. So yeah, I'm here guys. So without wasting much time, before going to the reaction, I would like to recap what happened in the previous episode. The previous episode was a wild one, definitely a very wild one. The Godzilla and the aliens and the Mantis boxing guy, all three of them combined and they started attacking our trio basically, or the love triangle that is forming. So we have two heroines for our Okarun. So yeah, they stripped down because of the reason was they didn't want any kind of friction which will inhibit their motion. So the fight happened and they won spectacularly, I must say. And I hope so the aliens are done permanently. They won't be coming back because this was their second appearance. But yeah, so they defeated them and they came back to the reality, and now they're all naked and they're naked in the school in front of all of their classmates and they start running wild, and that's where they decided to end the episode. That was such a great ending, or captivating ending, I must say. So yeah, that's where we are. I don't know where and how they are going to tackle the situation and where they are going to go ahead from this. Like maybe they will get suspended. Most probably they should get suspended after the act they pulled. And I don't know how they are going to explain that to their friends, because basically Okarun was on top of Ayase naked. So this is going to be great. So yeah guys, as you can see, I'm very excited. It's been way longer than a week since I've seen the previous episode, and I can't wait to see how the author is going to go from, or where the author is going to go from here. And yeah guys, so without wasting much time, let's get to the episode's reaction. So without wasting much time guys, let's get to the episode's reaction. What? Yeah, maybe the principal. Yeah. Wow. The principal thinks they were bullied. That's why they were naked. Man, I don't know how they are going to explain this or get out of this. Wow, she seems strict. Hmm. Wow, damn Baldi. Hmm. Queen Sensei, wow. Wow. Dominatrix, huh? Yeah. Exactly. Yeah, they will try to extract it. Well, I don't think so. Yeah, pretty soldier, wow. Exactly. Well, I guessed it. Exactly, wow. Her expressions, man. Wow, true. Why are they targeting the people? Yeah. Wow, okay, maybe there is some kind of beef between aliens and monsters. Hmm. Wow, crazy theory. Hmm. This is wild world building. His missing family jewel. Yeah. Wow, they both got different points. Yeah, that's true also. How will they explain it to their friends? Yeah, man. The truth is too wild. Yeah, that's true actually. She doesn't care. I could care less. Wow, she's still thinking about that. Man, she is in deep love.
キスを迫ってきた。はあ、本当です。それで揉み合いになって倒れたところを。そもそもあん。腕立てとか強く連絡する。
He's actually shy about this.
必要があるわけ。かっこいいかなって。それを切る。自分だって男です。早瀬さんには
She is feeling shy too.
ちょっと顔見せろよ。バカにしないでくださいよ。なんでかっこいいって思われたいの？
Wow, she's really teasing
だ
him.
からですよ。どうしてそう。
Well, no one is going to ask him, obviously. He has no friends. What? Is she going to try to propose? What? Come on, say it. What, man? Maybe they are talking with their eyes.
びっくりした。YouTube にいきなりいなくなってさ、カナから連絡来てグダグダで抱き合ってる。
Let's see how they're going to escape this.
どうなってんの？雑すぎません？
Yeah.
謎はすべて解けた。ギリギリの白鳥。
Wow, they're trying to enact the whole meet cute.
まあ、白鳥という
Hmm.
三角化する。
Wow. Special effects too. Threesome? Nude girl. This is wilder than what actually happened. Well, it is closer to the truth actually. She's going to definitely pin all of this on Ayase. Man, she's twisted. Hmm. Well, how did they know Ayase was behind that bathtub? Wow, people are getting riled up, man. Ah, the rumors again, which she spread. She's going to try to stop them, right? Yeah. She's not a bad girl. Hmm. Wow. She's being open. Man, this will destroy her. Hmm. Destroy her reputation. What led to this change? Huh? Like suddenly, this is too sudden. She was just scheming a second ago. Maybe because she's like Ayase saved her life or something. Maybe she wants to show some gratitude kind of thing. Huh? Wow, she's crying also. Yeah, it single-handedly destroyed her reputation she built up. Hmm? Yeah, exactly. It's nice seeing them bond, not fight like some angry birds. How did she realize that? Huh? What did she notice? Oh, what now? Is the alien still here? Oh, the mantis guy. Wow, it's still here. Yeah. Where is Okarun? Wow. All this to just fall, huh? What Chikikita? Backstory of the villain too again. Oh no, don't make it sad. Like episode 4 or 7. Oh, okay, wow, they brought it home. Is this going to be a recurring character now? Or was he doing all of this for a daughter? Hmm. Yeah, she doesn't believe in alien, right? Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, something. Maybe he needs money for his daughter's surgery or something. and he's a commissioned mercenary. Yeah, not even the aliens. I hope this creature becomes a recurring character. Yeah, again the tradition of the author having a dinner scene after every fight. Wow, yeah, I forgot about the granny cat. Hmm. Everyone is fighting each other. Hmm. Oh wow, son, not daughter. Hmm. Wow, that's brutal. But as I predicted, hmm, he needs medical treatment. What? What was that? Yeah. Okay, yeah, that's again as I predicted, money. Hmm. Is grandma hearing all of this? Hmm. Like science. Oh no. Man, author goes into deep effort in creating all these backstories. Oh no. So wife died. Hmm. How will they solve his problem then? Will they go to their planet or what? Hmm. Huh? Yeah. 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 How will they solve it? Exactly. Hmm. But sacrificing your Rohini for it? This is too random. Exactly. At least ask him what he wants. Oh, yeah, she can't hear his name. Where is his another ball, man? Hmm. Wow, political correctness. Hmm. Wow. All that was blood? Huh? Smell familiar? What? 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 Their blood is cow's milk? Hmm. What? Milk is not cow's blood? Yeah, the problem is easily solved, but this is wild suddenly. So random. Hmm. Man, that's nice. So he can't be a recurring character, but it's okay. This is too random. The solution was so random. Hmm. Intense milk. Man, the name. Wow. The design for the spaceship. Wild. Is no one else witnessing this? Okay, so that was the cow in the opening. Ah, okay, so he will come back definitely. Yeah. So I understood where the scene in that opening came from. The cow getting abducted. That makes sense. Wow. This is cool. Hyperdrive. So the aliens have a cow now. Exactly. She must. She is trying, acting dense. What now? Yeah, but their uniform got torn. Oh wow, she is coming to. Yeah. Oh no, wow, not for Ayase then. Yeah. Man, is she going to do it? Wow. Okarun finds it cute. Huh? Who is this? Who is she trying to impersonate? I don't know. Maybe some famous Japanese character. Who is this? What? Is he from the opening? Yeah, the fourth guy. Who is this? Who is this? Yeah. Hmm? Why is he back? Wow. This is wild. Yeah, Okarun, competitor. Well, guys, the episode ended there, and yeah, it was another crazy episode. So now, at least till now, I thought only like Okarun has two girls running after him, and I thought it was a little bit unfair. Like it started becoming harem for again, like similar to other shonen animes. But yeah, now that the first love of Ayase is back, both of them have two lovers. No, not actually. Ayase doesn't have. Yeah, so both of them have two lovers. I was a little bit confused in middle, but yeah. So Okarun has Ayase and the pink-haired girl going after him, and Ayase is going to have this new character, Gigi, I think so. His name is Gigi, and Okarun going after her. So yeah, nice. So the fourth character is here. I don't know if he's going to be having powers. Maybe he has Okarun's another ball with him. But why is he back now suddenly? And what was he saying to Ayase? Man, we have to wait for another episode. But at least I don't have to wait another whole week. It's going to get released in coming 2 days. So yeah, that is the perk of being late for the previous episode. But yeah, guys, this episode was wild, and I must say they got out of that situation. Like all those people in the school noticing them being naked with each other, like they got out of it very easily, I must say. But yeah, we saw a soft side of the pink-haired girl, like she destroying her popularity or fame in trying to defend Ayase. So that was something new, and that was some character development. And we saw a fun side of the punching mantis. Like the author did not need to go that hard in his backstory, developing the whole theory and everything, having a huge world building for that, but he did, and that's what I like about this anime Dan. Like the author goes unnecessarily deep into the villain's backstory and makes the anime's world richer than I expected. So yeah, I'm here for it, guys. I'm definitely here for it. Seeing all of these characters develop and basically interact with each other, flirt with each other, and the teenage drama along with it, along with the shonen fights and everything. Yeah, man. Even though sometimes it becomes some nonsensical, like a little bit out of there. Like, for example, the milk being the blood. Like it was so random. Sometimes in this anime particularly, things just happen randomly, and randomly they make sense or something. But yeah, it's fun. So I'm going to ignore some of it, and I'm going to let go of some of it. It was so very fun, and I enjoyed it a lot. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode as much as I did, and I hope you guys enjoyed my reaction to this episode. And if you did, please like, share, subscribe, and press the notification bell so that you'll get notified when my other reaction videos drop. And also do comment below in the comment section your thoughts on this episode, your thoughts on my reaction, and if you have any tips or suggestions for me, as I'm new to this reaction thing, I do need any kind of feedback, suggestion, help, input that I can get from you guys. So please, guys, please comment down below. I read all the comments, I reply to each and one of them. So please, guys, please comment down below, interact with this video, and help me out. I hope you guys do it. And finally, thank you to those who have always been doing that, who have always been liking, sharing, subscribing, pushing the notification bell, and most importantly, coming back to each and every reaction each and every week. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll meet you guys in the next episode's reaction.